In this video, I'll be showing you how you can step-by-step add text onto your video clips on Hitfilm Express. It is super easy to do. So first of all, what you need to do is go up to the viewer up here and select this little A icon. Then from here, you need to click where on the screen you want your text to be and just click hello. And as you can see down here in your timeline, then this little blue icon will be popping up. And you can rotate this and do whatever you want to do. You can fit it in and out, like so. You can add effects to it if you want to do that. And if you want to change the font, you simply need to go over to this effects over here and click on this arrow over here till you find text. Then from here, you can simply change the color. You can change the font, the upsize and downsize, like all the normal stuff you can do with the font you can change. And that's how you do it. If you have any questions about it, please leave them down in the comment section below and I'll try my best to answer them as quickly as possible. See ya!